software. Let's email Extractor. So first, this is the interface of the software. These are the tools of the software for which we can extract our data, our emails. Okay. So one by one we explore these tools. Okay. So first tool is search by keywords through Google. Okay. Click on this option. Okay, by clicking on this option, this interface has shown on my screen. Simple, write a keyword here. You can also search advanced search and keyword search on site. Okay, so first we go with quick search. As already written here, e-commerce business in UK. So whatever your category is, just write it here over here. Okay, and select your country, just like I am selecting United Kingdom. And if you want to choose your city, state or region, so you can also select it over here. Okay, now just click on OK button. Here you can see on my screen the process is started. So for now I'm just stop this process, okay, and go with advanced search. Okay, let's come to the option advanced search, and here you can see the options of search engines also. Okay, so AOL, ASK, Bing and Google and from Yahoo. So if you want to collect from all of these, so check all these options. Okay, or maximum URLs. If you want to add more, so right here and click on OK button. Okay, the result are show here. You can see the more results are found as we continue with advanced search. Okay, now the second step is to verify your email addresses. So how you can do it is just go on the option email verifier, click on this, write your host name, IP addresses, like I am writing here org.com.pk and .net. Mail from I'm just adding my own email address here. You can write your own. Okay, and verification options also are here. So if you want to check box all, so go for that. Okay, for now I'm just checkbox my options like emails and text, fake email, disposable emails, curse word, backlist, whitelist, mail server access. Okay, and I'm just going on start verifier. Okay, so see how it works. Here you can see the green boxes. Okay, so this means these emails are verified. Check the available status. Email is valid. Okay, all these emails are valid. Okay, so here you can see these two emails addresses are not valid. These sign will show, this red box will show that these two email addresses are not valid. Okay, so how you can remove these two addresses? You just go on email verifier again and remove invalid emails. Okay, so here you can see three items has been removed. Okay, now you can check there is no email addresses are found which is invalid. All of them are valid. Okay, first let's come to the next option, how you can find more email addresses. So here is an option of extract emails from Google Maps. Okay, just click on here. Now I am adding here software houses in UK. Okay, click on search start button. This will add more email addresses as you can see below. for now this is enough. Okay, and go with email verifier and start email verifier. Okay, the rest of the email was also verified. Okay, here you can see the rest of the email address is also verified, and all you need to do is email verifier, remove invalid emails, and also go on results and remove all duplicates. 7.73 items were removed. Okay, now the third step is to send email. Okay, so now the question is how you can send your emails to these bulk emails addresses. Okay, so what you have to do, just go on email sender, and you can also edit your email template. Okay, for now I'm just writing hi. You can also check your spam. Click on check spam button. Uh, this software will show you how your spam score is. Okay, so my spam score is 0.7. Okay, so now how you can set your account here for email sender. Here is mine. Just I'm showing you how I am creating my own account. My account name from name, and my email address, SMTP host, port address, and my username. How I created this account, so just go click on this plus button icon, and how you can do this. So the first step is just go on your Google account, on your profile on top right corner. Okay, just go on manage your Google account, and here now you have to go security option, and from security option enable two-step verification. Okay, here you can see two-step verification which is off, so enable this two-step verification. You can also verify your account by Gmail, by phone numbers, and by code. Okay, backup code. Now come back to the security option. Here you can search app option. Okay, and here is app password. So now we have to create our app password, which we have to use in our email sender software. So I am writing my app name, which is Mariam. Okay, click on create button. My password is ready. Just copy from here and click on done button, and go back to your email sender software and write a password in password option. Okay, paste it over here. Now the first is account name. I am writing here Mariam, and from which name you want to send your email to your email addresses. Okay, so here I am writing my own name Mariam Sheikh. Okay, and from which email just write your email address Mariam. Same reply to email. Okay, SMTP host. All you need to do is you just go on your Google Chrome browser and write it here Gmail SMTP. Okay, here you can see SMTP address is smtp.gmail.com. Just copy this address and paste it over here SMTP host. Okay, so now the next option is SSL or TLS. So I'm going with SSL option. Here you can also see the SSL code, which is 465 already written here. Okay, if you want to go with TLS option, so just copy TLS code from here and paste it over this box, okay, SMTP port box, okay, and the username is same on my account name, so just copy and paste it here. Click on OK button. Now I am just going to test an email, okay. How to show you is this work or not, okay. So just click on send test email. The email address you want to test on them, okay. Click on send button. Okay, so the test is okay. So now I'm going to check it out. Is this the Gmail is sent or not? Okay, click on send button. You can see the email is sent, but the time is showing you. The time is shown on my screen. And the title of my template and the message and the content of my email is sent. Also you can set your template here. You can add an attachment, add an image, insert image, also insert a link. Okay, so hope you understand the process, how you can set your SMTP server and how you can set your email template. Okay, so the last step is how you can export your email addresses which you found. Okay, so click on export result. I want to export my result on Microsoft Excel file, so just go on this option and this will export it shortly. Okay, so here you can see all of my email addresses are exported successfully. So hope my video will help you to explore the software more and your problems are clear now. But if you have still any queries, any questions regarding this software, regarding about email sender, email verifiers, so feel free to ask with me. Okay, take care, bye.